No! Okay. I hear gunfire. I don't know where the fuck they are. I need a better scope.
Ya echo, I'm reloading.
Oh. Fuck.
Contact north.
Got him. Got that fucker. Yeah, it's weird. I don't see. Oh, there's you, Star Killer. Okay. No, there's a guy in front of us, in front of this building. Just some walk. Nice. I'm running. They're running.
Contact northeast.
There, I just marked it. They just one ran by, one's in the flowers. Nice. Oh shit, here comes, yeah. But then I don't know where they fucking spawn. Yeah. Yeah, wow, damn. Who? Hey? No, he's saying what? He's saying it like very fast. Huh? Who? Seven? Who did that? I just wanted to let you guys know I appreciate you spending your whole day like this with me. Yeah. I needed it. I needed it.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Well, I guess we're attacking. I don't know. That seems like a job for two people I know. Remember, we only got a few waves. We only have 5. Till we capture, then we get more. Okay. Don't get sniped. I'm capturing. I need help. I'm the only one in here. Actually, I just got a teammate just came in. Thank you. Yes. This is good. This is gonna... Nope, blocked by enemy. Okay. Everybody stay cool. Somebody hunt this fucker down. Where'd it come from? We need somebody to come in and hunt. Are you guys both dead, Sam? Please. Okay. Ooh. Saw that. Oh, we're losing. Okay, they're in here. Damn it. This was off to a good start, but now we're in trouble. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I'm getting shot by some... Damn it, I'm dead. No, it was a guy. I didn't see him. Thanks. I didn't see him.
What the hell are you doing? Securing A!
We need to fight harder! They're fucking us up!
Alright, trying to get there. Yeah, I'm running in. I'm almost at the back door in a few seconds here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh shit! I got gunned down. The fucking heavy machine. Oh, they're on the technical. Yep. They just killed me with the technical. Shit, we're down to 2 waves. Oh, right in front of you. He missed. I saw him pop up, but he didn't notice him. Fuck. Guy looking through his scope. Shit, yeah, they're in the technical, so... Well, I don't know. I mean, they definitely were. Okay, I'm trying to get in. Oh shit, I'm downstairs. What the fuck?
We're here! But we're all you've got left!
Okay, come on, get it. Yes! So we needed 5 more waves. Okay, we're at 0. So that's good. Holy shit. Yeah. Somebody quit. Trying to get down. I gotta get around this wall. Maybe I'll go over here. I don't know. Shit.
Securing B!
Yep. Get over there. That's not far enough. No! Fuck, I got domed. Nice! Holy shit.
Took the objective. We need to keep moving.
Nice. Nope, god damn it. Put on my fucking gas mask.
Hey, we're on sea. Okay, we're capturing sea.
Oh, shit.
Sea has been taken. We took sea. Yellow, keep going. Move on to the next position.
Nice.
Everyone reporting! Ah! Блядь! They shot me! Oh, I'm great! We are a team! Secure!
Yeah, baby.
Destroy the cache! Destroy it!
All right.
Contact no sea.
Oh, that was perfect. I just saved you, my darling wife. Oh, I just got shot in the back of the head. A guy bursted. Oh, sorry. Oh, jeez. Never seen somebody use that before.
All right.
Yeah. And all we really need is a good incendiary to land on the pile. It's upstairs.
Using a grenade!
I got a grenade I can throw. Our team. Oh, careful, careful! Its friend teammate just ran up. It was a collection of excitement. Guy ran right in front of Sam up the steps as he was about to throw the grenade. Then he threw the grenade. Everybody got shot, and then Nathan RPG'd. GG. All right, is that the capper? I need confirmation. I need confirmation. I need the access codes. All right, am I getting this out? All right. All right, Lorraine, everybody's bailed. Quitters. That was good. That was good. It's good. Good round to end on. Was. It was. It's awesome. I recorded a lot of that too, so. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? All right, boys. All right, let me stop the recording so we can do the family mushy stuff.